Hi guys! So, oh my god, sobrang cringe. Kasi ngayon na lang ulit ako magre-review ng isang product. If you remember at napanood ninyo yung dati kong video about this product of Lux Organics with niacinamide, uulitin ko with niacinamide because of my skin condition. Look at that. Yeah, I am an acne prone. Sobra. Lalo na ngayon, in time na nagkakaroon ako or during the menstruation, sobrang lumalabasan yan. There, meron ako ngayon dyan. But this product is paubos na. And this product is also made from Korea. So, why not? I have to try another product from CORSX or from Korsk. There. Another product from Korea with niacinamide. So that is why I am so in love with any product with niacinamide because of my skin condition. This product that I bought from TikTok with acetylglucosamine, zinc PCA, and a niacinamide 15. So according to the label of this product, and it claims this can help us control the oil because I also have a very active secretion sa mukha ko ng oil, as in super. And it also help minimize pores para hindi na siya mag-secrete ng maraming oil that will help na magkaroon tayo ng acne. So I'm going to try this product since paubos naman na to. Okay? So, according naman dito sa product na to, just have to apply the proper amount, evenly avoiding the air area lang for daytime use. And, of course, use the sunscreen. Guys, use a sunscreen. That will help you talaga. Promise. Kasi here in the Philippines, sobrang pabago-bago. Regardless if maulan, maaraw, you have to wear sunscreen even before you're going to sleep. So, let's try to apply this product. Actually, may dropper siya. And this one kasi, the other product that I'm using from Lux Organics is a pump lang. Pump there. But this one from Korsk, the niacinamide 15, has a dropper. So yeah, feel mo na serum talaga yung i-apply mo sa mukha mo. So you have to cleanse, of course, your face first. Oh, in my condition, after ko lang din maligo. So naglagay na rin ako ng toner. And have to put it here. There. In fairness, this is the very first day na ginamit ko to. Okay. Let us see